In today's video, we'll show you how to set up different age validation methods for the age verification widget. This feature is crucial for tailoring your content to the appropriate audience. Start by navigating to the content section in your widget settings. Look for the validation type field. Here you have three options to choose from. Button validation is the simplest form, where users are prompted to click a button to confirm their age, ideal for minimal compliance. The second option is Validate by Year, a step up in verification requiring users to enter their birth year. This method balances ease of use with a bit more accuracy. Full birth date, the most detailed option asking users to enter their full birth date. Choose this for the highest level of age verification. Select the best method for your site's needs and your audience convenience. And that's all. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your content is responsibly shared with the right audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!